ballistic and boy, bring it back. Couldn't ballistic get through, found bigger one. Where did you get it? It was next to an old guy sitting on a bench, put it back. It like the ring of ribbon suspended. What did you do this time? Nothing, my teacher asked me a simple question, and I gave a simple answer. What did she ask? And what did you say? And you're grounded. She said I had 5 bottles in one hand, and then 6 bottles in the other. What do I have? I said a drinking problem. You're